Hey everyone, my name is Jason. I'm the designer behind most of the UX and UI interactions around Nova. Today, I'm here to spotlight one of our newest features in this release, the Panorama plugin. To get started, I've already created my layer and uploaded it. It was a file captured by DJI drone, and when I go to click to open it, I first off am able to change the size of my screen of the panorama just by dragging around the edges of the player. And that still allows me to pan around the map and interact with that. As well as when I drag on the panorama itself, I get a full 360-degree view, as well as some vertical and lower half of the panorama. I have controls being able to zoom in and out on specific areas. And if I ever want to reset my orientation, I can click on the compass in the bottom right to reset back to north facing. In the bottom left of the viewer, I have a few different views. It's already in a small viewer that is sticky to the top left of the area, but I have the middle button, which allows a split view and changes my map to be on the lower half, or a full screen view that allows me to still interact with the panorama in a full view. So this wraps up our short little feature highlight of panoramas. I hope you enjoyed using Nova across all your missions and operations. You can stay updated by following all of our social medias like LinkedIn, YouTube, as well as our weekly email releases. Thanks. I'll catch you later.